We'll talk about the relative layout. Again, I want to use the same project. I will upload that project on the Moodle. Okay, so I will just right click on that, create a new resource layout. Here I say that relative underscore layout, and here I can select the relative layout. Okay, I do that, and now I bring it here. I go to the text mode, so we have that particular relative layout like this. Now if I say that I want to put a text view, wrap content, and put a text, not test, and then I put change some properties like text size, I say that 20 sp, and text color, I say that accent. Why it is, let me make it 30, so it's much more visible. Maybe I can make it 40, it should fine. So I have this thing. By default, it is coming on the right, sorry, left top corner. Where is my second text box? Actually, if I click on this thing, it shows me where it is. If I click on this one, again it is showing me the same place. Okay, so what we can do, I can just try to put a constraint here. So we can say that to right or align layout underscore align parent top. Okay, so I can say that right layout underscore parent top right, layout align parent right, and then it say that you want to make it true or false. I mean, these are the things that we can make it true or false. So when I say make it true, that particular text is actually going to the right of the parent. By default it is top, so we don't need to tell that it's you go on the top as well. Now if I try to print, okay, I try to copy paste again. Again I'm putting that particular same thing. Again if I look at that, it's here. I want make a line to the where? Bottom? Align parent bottom. Make it true. Going there. Again I want to say that bottom, align parent bottom, okay, true, fine. Now that particular text box came down here. Now we have two text boxes here at this position. I want that it also go to the right. Align parent right, true. Look at that. Now we are positioning with respect to the parent, the container itself. We also have that positioning that let me put and one more thing here, and then give here vertical center, true, vertical center. Left is by default, we don't need to tell left. Okay, again I put something here, and now it's again there's a two text boxes here at this particular top left corner. Okay, now I want where I want to put, I want to put it here. So first of all I say right, align parent right, true, so that come here. Now again on the right top corner we have to put, so again I say that I put more constraints, not only one constraint, but I putting more constraint. I say that center vertical, true, coming down here. What if I want to put something here? Okay, so we put another one here, and then we can simply say that center horizontal, make it true, it's coming down here. What if I want to put something here? This one, this place. First of all, we need to say that bottom, parent bottom, true, and then we also say that center horizontal, true. What if I want to put something here? So first of all, we are saying that center. So actually we have in parent. It will actually make both of them. We can also say something like this, that if I just try to remove this one, we say that horizontal, true. We also say that center vertical, true, coming down here. But if we are applying that particular center in parent is actually equivalent of these two. They are both applied, horizontal and vertical center. So that is, if we want to make something like that, it is center in parent. It is the same thing. Whether we are applying two different horizontal and the vertical center, or we can say that center in parent. Now what I do, I give that particular ID which is here. I give an ID. ID text center or parent center. Okay, I just give that particular ID, and now I am giving another. I'm saying that yes, it's a text box. I say that to left of what? ID text parent center. So look at that. Wherever that particular text is trying to align itself to the left of this one, but again at the top. It is not sticking to it. This is the left side of that one, so it will try to align. Its right side will try to align itself here. But what if I say that to top or to start off. Again the same. Again it's not changing at all. Actually I want something like this. It align itself to the, I want to bring it here, that corner. Okay, well, what is the property here? Top, align top, layout underscore align top, layout align. No, top of, to top of, to, or up, above, sorry, layout underscore above. For, to whom? Text. And it's not like to, below and above. I can say something like if I, okay, I want something here. So let me put one more item here and then say that to left of text parent, and then we can say that below to whom? Text parent. So look at it, it's coming down here. And similarly, we can simply say that to right of text. So look at that, it's going up there. That's coming on the right of this particular text box. And if I say above, it will come here. If I say below, it will come down here. Maybe I can say that below. Similarly, I want to put one more thing here, and then I say that to right of text parent, and then above of text parent center. So I'm positioning these different texts with respect to this particular text. If I want something here, then let's do it, no problem. If I say that to left of ID text, and then here I say that center vertical true. It's coming to the left of that one because that's also vertical center, so it's coming to the left of that one. Again, we can make it right of that one as well. So that is our relative layout. In this way, we can position different items with respect to the parent, left, top, bottom, right, center, vertical center or horizontal center, and we can also align different items with respect to another item here, and we can say align to the left, align to the top, above, below, left and right, above, below, left and right, so all four directions are covered. Okay, so this way we can build that particular layout that we have seen without any using the nested layouts. This particular layouts we can, instead of using the nested layouts, we can use the relative layouts, and we don't need the nested layouts at all. But relative layout also make that particular design more complex. These nested layouts keep that design simple. So what you want, again, it depends on the preference. You want the complexity, if you can handle it, or you want to keep your simplicity. Okay, so that's the complexity versus the simplicity of that design. So it depends whatever you like, but that's how we can position different items with respect to each other or with respect to the parent sites. And that's two different positionings. All other things that we have learned about that, views, size, height and everything, that's same, whether it is a linear layout or grid layout or it's a relative layout. But these positioning with respect to the parent and with respect to the other elements, it is very much only available, not only, but they are available in that particular relative layout. Okay, and that is the end of our this recording video. So let me close it down. Okay.